Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this dip machine that this brand sent to me for the video. Welcome to my humble gym where I keep my things, and I do want to say that this one is going to be the new addition to my home gym because it is really good for some specific things. So I have resistance bands, I have my treadmill, my bike, my benches right here, some weights, some barbell, but I was looking for something like this actually because you can actually exercise chest, triceps, biceps, and also kind of like a little bit of core as well with this machine over here. I'm going to show it to you on a close-up in a few seconds. I do want to say that I had a minor thing right here in my right hand, so I'm not going to try too hard. I'm going to just add a little bit of weight, but you can actually add up to 300 pounds in this machine. So that's actually quite good. Let's take a closer look. So the first thing that I want to show you, besides the good quality of the materials right here, these are very cushioned, and this is a really nice kind of like leather-ish cushion as well right here on the back. And the whole structure is a really nice and strong and firm heavy-duty steel frame, which I think it's super good. The assembly process, let me actually show you something super quick. Because of my hand, my wife actually did the assembly of this. Everything comes explained right here. It is super easy, so you're not gonna have any issues. And it took her no more than 30 minutes. With power tools, no more than 30 minutes. So I think this is quite simple. But I do want to show you that right here, you can actually change the position, the height of the actual seat, but just unscrewing this part over here. That it takes just a little while. And remember, this is my good hand and I don't have it capable, but you can actually change it to 3 different height positions. Actually, it is more of 4 different positions. So that's actually quite good, I have to say, and it's going to give you a little bit of more different challenges and resistance based on the amount of weight that you're going to put. And something super cool as well is that right here, you're going to find a really nice grip, but you're going to find a close grip and an open grip. So close grip is going to be for triceps, and open grip is going to be more for chest. So this is going to give you some kind of like different type of exercises for different muscles as well. So as I told you before, I don't have too much weight added because of my hand over here, but I'm going to show you where you do add the weights, of course, up to 300 pounds. But this is how you're going to do chest, for example. You're going to see that the resistance is based on my chest, and it has a really wide, nice and wide grip right here for your chest. So depending on the amount of weight that you add, you're going to actually be able to push it up to the limit if you want. 300 pounds, I think it's a lot. Again, I don't have too much weight over there, but you can add up to 300 pounds. So open for chest, as you're going to see right here, and then close grip for triceps. You can see that this one actually kind of like focus the strength of my muscles right here on the tricep zone right here. So that's actually quite good. I do have to say that this is a really good machine for these type of exercises. But something really cool as well, let me show you on the back right there. So I switched to a wide angle so you can see this better, but this is where you're gonna add the plates right here in this kind of like frame right here. You're gonna add the plates, and it also comes with this, so you're gonna be able to actually secure them better so they want to move from here. So that's actually quite good. But something really good that I like is right here, it also comes with this, so you can actually attach it to one of the holes that is right here. And now you can also do biceps just like this. You can do biceps, so that's something also really good with this machine, that you can actually do some other like exercises. And also, if you change the grip, you can also do some traps. So you can do some traps as well right here, and some shoulders as well, as you can see over here. So I want to say that this is a very complete machine. So I like this one. Perfect grip, really nice and versatile variety of exercises you can do. Really good quality of the materials right here for the cushions and also the back support and the frame. And of course, it works really good up to 300 pounds. I give it my thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.